Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1. Subject English 2. Representing teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. In our last video, we had learned how to write picture composition. Pictures are always fascinating and every picture has something interesting to tell us about itself. So, now let us pick up one picture here and see what it is trying to tell us. Today I am going to tell you something about this beautiful picture. Let us now see what is particular picture trying to tell us about itself. Yes, we are going to talk about picture composition. Let us first observe the picture very carefully and then let us note down what all we can see here. The first thing that you have to keep in mind is the place where the picture has taken place. It can be any picture. So, we can see a big and beautiful garden. In that garden, we can see children, old people, young people. So, this is the picture of garden or park. A park which is open for all, it means it is a public park. Anyone can go there anytime. Right? So, this is something we have to write as the first thing where the thing is or what the thing is or what is picture about. So the first line we can write is the picture depicts. Don't worry, I will be giving everything in writing. Just that I want to understand how to be right. First we decide the place. Then we can of course talk about how about the weather or what is the day. Can we say it seemed to be a sunny day? See, it is not hazy. It seems to be a summer day because kids is wearing a half sleeves. So, you can say it is a sunny bright day where kids are enjoying. So now we have started talking about kids. We will firstly write few lines on kids. So you can say there are 2 kids on the swings. Can you see? There are 2 kids who are taking seesaw. There are 3 kids playing with the sliding. A big fountain is between the garden. It's a beautiful sunny day to spend in the garden. We can see children playing swing, seesaw, slide and also one boy playing with football. We can see many trees and flowers also. Elderly people sitting on benches of the garden. Some are reading books and some are reading newspapers. We can see birds and beautiful butterflies flying. The garden seems to be well kept because it is neat and tidy. That kids are enjoying and that elders are sitting in the park very happily. It is lush green and well kept garden. Garden. This is the picture of a garden. The garden is well kept. It is surrounded by lush green trees and bushes. A big fountain is between the garden. It is a bright sunny day. Kids are enjoying. Children are playing on swing, seesaw, slide, and also one boy playing with football. Elderly people are sitting on benches of the garden. Some are reading books and some are reading newspapers. Birds and beautiful butterflies are flying in the garden. Students, have you ever visited the garden? I know you all like to go to the garden and play and spend your lovely time and have fun. I hope you understand this composition. Thank you.